This is the Precalculus ACP study guide for the fall of 2015. And this is problem 15 in our study guide. Tara and Libby hike off in different directions according to the drawing shown below. If they are now 8 miles apart, what was the angle between their paths? If you go back to problem 14, you have the same type of problem, but a different situation. In this situation, you know how far they are apart, but the thing that you're missing is this angle right here. And for this, we're going to use the same thing we did in problems 14 and 14a and 14b, which is the law of cosines. And the law of cosines is c squared equals a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of angle C. And so like we did in problem 14, we were trying to solve for little c, so we had all the input at the right. But in this situation, we know everything except angle C. And so let's go ahead and label the proper portions. We're going to have 4 miles equal our A. Let me get this here. 4 miles is A. 5 miles is our B. And 8 miles is our C. And that's little c. And big C we don't know. And so let's go ahead and apply our law of cosines formula. And we're going to have c squared, which is 8 squared, is equal to a squared, which is 4 squared, plus b squared, which is 5 squared, minus 2 times a, which is 4, times b, which is 5, times the cosine of angle C. And so we can go about solving for angle C by just going one step at a time and peeling off layers. Okay, we can subtract 4 squared and 5 squared from both sides, and we divide by negative 2 times 4 times 5, that's negative 2 times 4 times 5, that's negative 40. And we'd have cosine C, take the inverse cosine. Guys, there's something that your calculator has. If you have a TI-Nspire CX calculator like we have in our class, we can write an equation. And the equation we're going to do is called using NSolve or Numerical Solve. And to do that, we press Menu, and we press E3 for Algebra and Enter for Numerical Solve. And so what we have is c squared, so we're going to have 8 squared, and we could do that in our head, but we can just type in like we see it. Equals 4 squared, that's a squared, plus 5 squared, that's b squared, minus 2 times 4 times 5 times cosine, and this we do not know, so we put in x, that is our unknown. Then we press in comma x. Now guys, we could have solved this with some modest algebra skills, but just in solve, we have our answer. We got 125.1 degrees. So let's go over here. So C is approximately equal to 125.1 degrees. And our closest answer to that is B. So again, you can be hardcore and do all the elimination and take inverse cosine of C and then get this. But with NSolve, gosh, you made a less than a minute problem out of one that otherwise might take you a few minutes, gives you more opportunities for mistakes. So good luck on your supplemental problems 15A and 15B, and thanks for viewing.